Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn 50 words start with N. N for nest. N for nails. N for nuts. N for nightingale. N for nurse. N for necklace. N for nose. N for nature. N for newborn. N for numbat. N for nectarine. N for noodles. N for nail. N for needle. N for neck. N for net. N for neighbors. N for newspaper. N for noise. N for navy. N for noble. N for nutcracker. N for ninja. N for night. N for notepad. N for Neptune. N for nephew. N for napkin. N for nozzle. N for navel. N for novel. N for nuggets. N for nap. N for nachos. N for nursery. N for narwhal. N for nun. N for navigation. N for nectar. N for neem. N for noni. N for nutmeg. N for nylon. N for nine. N for neuron. N for nanny. N for nib. N for narrow. N for network. N for notice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.